In today's video, I will show you how to change the system language on your Lenovo laptop. First, click on the search bar and type Settings, then open it. In Settings, click on Time and Language. Now select Language and Region. Here, you will see the Windows Display Language option. If your preferred language is already installed, click the drop-down menu and select that language. If the language you want is not available, click Add a Language. Search for your preferred language, select it, and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. After the language is installed, return to the Windows Display Language section and select the new language. In some cases, you may need to sign out or restart your laptop for the changes to take effect. That's it. This is how you can change the system language on a Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.